Hello, sir. Thank you for joining me today. Before we begin, I just want to ask you your permission. This interview will be recorded and may be uploaded on YouTube. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, great. Thank you. Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
Um, Hi Deepak. I'm the Swarup Jana, and as a full stack developer, I work as a full stack developer with around 7 years of experience in building the scalable applications using the Java, Spring Boot, and the front end frameworks like Angular and React. And that application is hosted and deployed in AWS Cloud Container Services. So coming to my introduction, basically, I'm basically from the India. I came to US around 6 years back. As a student, I completed my master's here, and after completion of master's, I joined in one of the big organizations as a full stack developer. And outside work, I enjoy coding. I enjoy coding challenges, and I usually go to the hikings and photographies things. Yeah, that's what my introduction. And can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Banukota Deepak Reddy and I am from India. Now I am studying in Tyler's University as a doing bachelor's in computer science and I am transferring to US soon. That's it.
Oh,
Uh,
oh,
shall we
congrats
start?
on that.
Okay, thank you. Shall we start with the questions, please?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, okay. Do people in your workplace, do people casually prefer to work alone or in the groups?
Deepak, it's basically as a Java developer, collaborating is a very common since we are often work with agile team. So, but there are also some times where we focus individually on coding and debugging. I personally enjoy balancing both working in groups for brainstorming and problem solvings, and working alone for the deep coding tasks.
Okay, then what do you enjoy in your work, like as a Java full stack developer?
So basically, I enjoy solving problems from both the backend and the front end, which give me a full picture of how application works and looks like. So coming to like, I like tackling the so complex problems and turning that into a simple and usable applications.
Okay. How how is the good performance usually recognized in your workplace? Is it like
So
a individual or a group success?
So coming to good performances or like good performances is usually recognized through both the individual effect is appreciated from the specific contribution solving the complex coding issues, while group success is celebrated when the whole team is delivered the project, like specific project. I believe both are important since software development is mixture of a personal growth and a teamwork.
Okay. And now, do people prefer the private recognition or the public recognition? What do you think about it?
Preferring private or public recognitions. So basically, in agile teams, I have noticed some developers prefer private recognitions in one-on-one settings, while others like being acknowledged during the standards. Personally, I think, in my opinion, both are variable as long as the contribution is appreciated.
Okay, then do you feel comfortable sharing your ideas with the other people, with others
Uh,
like and employers like?
So sharing our ideas is very good. Yes, yeah, I share different ideas respectively, supporting them with the evidence or prototypes, and I stay open to the feedbacks also, so that the team choose the correct one or the best path.
Okay. Uh, how much freedom do you have to make a decision about your own tasks?
Oh, freedom as a senior developer, I have enough freedom to decide how to approach my tasks while still following the team standard and projects priorities.
Okay. In your view, do Do most people focus more on personal growth or a common goals?
So focusing on personal or common goal, in my experience, most people try to balance both. But in coming to the personal growth is important because learning new skills keep us motivated and effective. But in developing team, common goals like completing a sprint or delivering the release using usually takes priority. So I believe while focusing on a team success, personally growth mutually follows.
Okay, how is the competition between your colleagues generally seen as like positive or negative like that?
So competition is always positive. So because it is a healthy competition, like pushing each other in a code reviews or hackathons, which is like a positive, but teamwork and delivering always comes first.
Okay. Have you observed the difference in teamwork styles and among the people from the different backgrounds?
Oh yeah, yes. I seen some preferred details printing, sprint planning, while other drive straight into the coding.
Okay,
And combining both styles help us as a Java full stack developer team works more effectively.
okay. How important is work-life balance where you work?
Coming to work-life balance, the work-life balance is very important where at work. In most of the Java developer teams, we follow agile practices that keep work structured and their understanding that maintain balance help us to stay productive and avoid burnouts. So
Okay,
I have seen that developers have a time to recharge the quality of code and collaborating improvements significantly.
okay. Can you give me an example how people usually balance their work and their
So,
life?
okay, for balancing the work, right? So sure, like most balancing, it is finishing the sprint tasks on time and avoiding the late hours and
Okay,
rotating the responsibilities if extra works comes up during the releases, like production releases.
okay. What challenges do you usually face in your role?
Some challenges are coming often. So some challenges I faced are balancing the front end and the back end priorities.
Okay,
So handling the tight deadlines and interacting new technologies with the existing systems.
okay,
For example, when it comes to optimizing the backend APIs in Java,
okay,
while ensuring the front end remains user friendly can be demanded.
okay.
So, and one more challenge is coordinating across the teams during the sprint tasks. But agile practices and good communication usually helps us to overcome these problems.
Okay. Do employers feel free to take breaks or holidays or the personal time without being judged in your company?
Yeah, basically, yes, they do. It quite normal in this place. They usually take time offs.
Okay. Then how people usually take their holidays there?
So it's like basically some people may plan for the long weekends. Usually it comes like 2 to 3 months. Say once we get long weekends, usually people can take 2 to 3 days extra for that, and most of the people can go to the weekend trips or go to abroad during the holidays, like in Christmas timings or Black Fridays or Thanksgiving weekends. People, even small personal days are accepted without any issues.
Okay. Can you share one way you have seen success celebrated recently?
So recently, after our Java team completed a major release
Okay.
ahead of schedules, and success was celebrated in two different ways. Our manager gave us a team shout out during the all hands meeting,
Okay.
and we have a small team lunch to appreciate everyone efforts. It it has a great way to recognize both the group achievement and the individual contribution that made is possible.
Okay. Then Is flexibility such as remote works or the flexible hours supported in your workplace?
Yes, like remote work and flexible hours are supported as long as team goals and deadlines are met. For example, many Java developers, as a Java full stack developers, my team adjusts their schedules for different time zones and remote collaborations. Collaboration tools like Jira, Confluence, and Splunk made it easy to stay connected and productive.
Okay. Do you work usually on projects like independently, or you will collaborate with others to make a good progress in a projects?
Okay, as I mentioned earlier already, so I balance both working independently on coding tasks while collaborating with the team on designing reviews or integration. So I prefer both. In,
Okay. Do people openly talk about or the follow the hobbies and the personal interest outside of the work in your
yes,
workspace?
people oftenly share their hobbies and interests, which help to build stronger connection and positive team culture.
Okay. Uh, to what extent does the enjoyment and the personal satisfaction influence the motivation at your workspace?
Oh, yeah, that is a lot actually. If I say if people doesn't enjoy their work, they lose motivation easily.
Yes, yes. It's
They have to be
absolutely right.
motivated.
Okay. Are employees encouraged to show their personality at work?
Yeah, basically everyone is encouraged. Yes, employees are encouraged to be themselves. Uh, when it comes to casual dressing, open discussions, and sharing their fresh ideas freely.
Okay. Could you give me one simple example of how people spend their free time?
Um, so you mean one example that how people spend on free time?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Many people in their free time they go to the outdoor travel or spend weekends with their families and friends and go to trips. Like when it comes to long weekend, they go to very long distance places. When it is short weekend, they go nearby places. Many people goes.
Okay. Can you tell me how we can get a good job and improve the skills in AI and computer fields? And what you say to the young students who are just started their studies in computer science?
Yeah, this is very important. I could say start with the strong basics in programming
Okay.
and the problem solving. Don't rush directly into the like higher things like AI or advanced tools like understanding the directly into the AI. Please make sure to understand the data structures, algorithms, and the code language first. Once you have that foundation, which is easy to explore areas like machine learning, Java, Python libraries, and different cloud platforms like Amazon Web Services and Azure and Google platform, GCP. For getting a good job, um, first build the project that shows your skill, not just the certifications. The open source contribution or internships also make a big difference. You may get a high chance of getting placed or learn more technologies for them. And for the student, my advice is to stay curious, keep learning step by step, and don't be afraid of failure.
Okay.
One or another day, you can achieve anything. So
Okay.
it's a path of growth in the computer science. You may achieve very good.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much for your valuable time and sharing your thoughts and experience.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank,
Deepak.
thank you.
Have a good one and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.